So I'm at my workshop. This is a kick down cable for a TH350 gearbox that I bought. This end doesn't fit. That's the end that does fit, but the cable was too short to reach round the other side of the Holley carb. It only came up to about here. So instead of buying a new one, I'm hoping that I can pull the end off of this one and fit that on. But making it was more involved than I thought, because it's got to have like a little ridge down in there, different size hole. It's also got to have a bigger hole halfway down, because there's a little wire that the cable hooks onto that has to move up and down about an inch. So I've had enough for today. It's a bit cold. I've made it. Now all remains to see whether I can get that new one apart and fit it on. But I'm not up for that today. I'll do it tomorrow. That's it.